Hey guys, Val Quinn here from GadgetGuy. So I have the new iPad here, which I'm going to unbox and check out. This is the yellow one. There are a couple of other colors as well. There's like a blue, there's a silver, and then there's like a pinkish one, but we've got the yellow. So let's have a look and see what's inside, shall we? Okay. Wow, it really is yellow. It really is yellow. It's a little bit metallic. You get a real kind of, I don't know. It's not like super sort of daisy yellow, but it's kind of got a nice metallic finish to it. I don't mind it actually. It's a bit fun, a bit of color here. It's nice to have something new with the iPads. And that's the other thing that's really important is this is the first time the iPad has had a redesign. So what they've done is they've actually taken away the really sort of wide bezel around the outside. Now the screen stretches all the way to the edges as well. There's no more home button. So this is just like the others. You have to swipe up. Plus there's a USB-C connector here as well, meaning that you don't use a lightning port anymore. And lastly, the actual on button, which is on the side here, when I turn it on there, doubles as a fingerprint sensor. So you press it like that and you get the fingerprint. But most importantly, the camera now, the front FaceTime camera is located here. That means that when you actually use it, you use it in this orientation, and when you're looking at the camera, it's dead center. Whereas normally when the camera's on the side here, you look at the camera and you're kind of not looking straight on, and it looks a bit funny. So yeah, that's a really good improvement and we're really happy to see that. But otherwise, yeah, this has got the A15 chip in it, so it's more powerful, more battery economical, meaning it'll last longer, and it really should have lots of grunt for most things. The only downside is it uses the Apple Pencil version 1, which is kind of frustrating. But normally you have to plug this into the lightning connector here, but now that it's USB-C, they give you an adapter. So that's the only other downside. So just quickly, what else do you get in the box? Looks like you get a probably 35-watt charger. We'll just correct that if I'm wrong, but it looks like 35-watt charger and a braided, ooh, fancy, braided USB-C connector. So good that we're USB-C. And that's everything in the box, but there are a couple other things. We also have the new Apple Smart Folio. This is pretty much the same as before. It's just kind of folds over, and it's a bit of a front and back cover to protect your iPad. But the one that's really cool is the Magic Keyboard Folio. Now this one I'm excited about. I'll just check this one out quickly here. It's because this is a two-piece design, which even the other Magic Keyboard that you get on the iPad Pro doesn't do. And the really cool thing, so that a two-piece design means that you can have it just the keyboard attached, or just the back of it attached to protect the back, or both. And also, the keyboard now has a trackpad, which is fantastic. Driving your iPad with a trackpad is just a new experience. It's almost more laptop-like. So that's a really good thing. And lastly, if I can figure out exactly how to put this together, which I'll just quickly try out here. It uses the smart connector as well. Smart connectors mean that it will power the keyboard and sync to it, so you don't have to worry about Bluetooth connections or anything else like that. So what goes next here? So basically, however this fits on, oh yeah, right, I get it. So this goes that way, camera thing goes here. Somehow they all connect together. But the cool thing is, yeah, that's it. Cool thing is too, it's got a little stand, so you can fold out a stand right here, and that will give you a stand, and then the keyboard part folds down, and then you can use it like so. So yeah, super cool. And this is definitely a good attachment to have. I really like it. And I think that it'll make it more like a laptop. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and let us know what you think. So definitely leave a comment and subscribe. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.